building! Tourist drive!
Hello. I'm the hotel manager and this gentleman is my partner. We'd like to welcome you.
Oh, here she is.
I'm sorry, darling. They had such a huge variety of pain relief ointment. I bought you this one. I hope it's the one you were looking for.
That's wonderful, dear. Can I have my certificate, please?
Of course, darling. Would you like to see mine also, officer?
No, that's okay. Thank you, sir.
My wife died 6 days ago. She was very beautiful and I loved her very much. She had a limp too.
What's so important it couldn't wait?
It's Victor.
What about him?
He's getting cold feet.
Cold feet?
He thinks we're treating Francis too harshly.
Really?
Wants out.
Out?
What do you want to do?
You vouch for him. Fuck, it's cold today, Ray.
It is a little chilly.
But why the army?
I was in a gang. I was either death, jail, or the army. It was my only way out.
Our lives are shaped by the choices we make. The only thing we can't choose that shapes us the most is where we come from.
You've got balls coming here alive. What are you fucking doing here anyway?
Had nothing to do with your boy.
Boy? There's no fucking boy here, Rabbi.
Wasn't me.
You think you can do better?
you.